Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to deposit money into US Uphold crypto account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I am on the Uphold official website. So to complete a ACH deposit, you just have to access the navigation bar at the bottom and tap on transact, and then you just have to click on source. After that, just scroll down until you see my banks and select the preferred bank account of your choice, and then just click on destination to pick the asset you intend to purchase. Review the transaction details by tapping on preview. After that, if satisfied with the terms, tap on confirm to finalize your transaction. So this is how you complete the ACH deposit. If you want to do a wire transfer, just click on transact once again on the navigation bar on the bottom of your screen, and then just click on from and select your bank account. After that, just select banks and tap plus, and then just tap on US dollar. After that, just click on bank transfer, and then just click on to and select the asset you want to get funded in your Uphold account. After that, you will get a reference code to update the identify the asset you chose as well as your account. You will find all the details required to initiate a wire transfer in USD from your bank account. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.